We all thought coffee is great for us, but a recent study suggested otherwise. Avoiding caffeine for 30 days, and adapting Mediterranean diet can have surprising results on your body. Let's see how. Embarking on a journey to achieve weight loss and improve fitness can be daunting. But what if we combine the benefits of healthy eating with cutting down on caffeine? The Mediterranean diet, lauded by many as a treasure trove of health benefits, can be a game-changer when paired with a caffeine detox. Let's dive into how embracing the Mediterranean diet and saying no to caffeine for 30 days can contribute to weight loss and healthy living. This is Shape Squad, your trusted partner in fitness and weight loss journey. So, let's first have a look at the Mediterranean diet and its health benefits. Followed by the alternatives to the caffeine, some great additions to your daily eating routine. If you don't know, the Mediterranean diet focuses on whole foods, such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. It emphasizes healthy fats like olive oil instead of butter, and encourages lean proteins such as fish and poultry over red meat. This diet is rich in fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats. Several studies have shown that the Mediterranean diet is highly effective for weight loss. A study published in the New England Journal of Medicine found that participants on the Mediterranean diet lost more weight than those on a low-fat diet. Moreover, the Mediterranean diet has been linked to a lower risk of heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Okay, let's now discuss the important part. No caffeine, the science behind its benefits. Eliminating caffeine from your diet for 30 days can have some surprising effects on your health. Caffeine, commonly found in coffee and tea, affects dopamine levels in the brain. Dopamine is often called the feel-good hormone. When you drink coffee, dopamine levels spike. But over time, excessive caffeine intake can lead to decreased sensitivity to dopamine. This can cause fatigue and mood swings. A study in the Journal of Psychopharmacology showed that cutting out caffeine can lead to more stable energy levels and improved sleep quality. Both factors are crucial for weight loss and overall fitness. Yes, it's all true. And here is what we are going to do now. Pairing no caffeine with the Mediterranean diet can enhance the benefits of this healthy eating pattern. Without the influence of caffeine, your body can better regulate dopamine levels, leading to improved mood and energy. So, what are the alternatives to caffeine then? While on the Mediterranean diet, you can opt for caffeine-free alternatives to keep your energy levels up. First, we have the herbal tea. Herbal teas like chamomile or peppermint are caffeine-free and can be a soothing replacement for your regular tea or coffee. Moving on, lemon water. Starting your day with a glass of lemon water can invigorate your senses without the need for caffeine. Lastly, natural fruit juices. Fresh fruit juices are rich in vitamins and can be an excellent energy booster. You can easily adapt all these caffeine alternatives into your eating routine, yet enjoying your Mediterranean meals. Watch our videos on Mediterranean diet to explore various delicious recipes and meal plans. But remember, this is just one aspect of looking at caffeine and weight loss. Subscribe to Shape Squad for more interesting studies and facts on health, fitness and weight loss. Our next video will really boost your weight loss efforts. Catch us if you can.